Pulp. Pulp. Why is there pulp in the juice, Colin?
It's it's better for you.
Who told you that?
No one, Ma. Sorry, no more pulp.
What do you need to go to the wedding for?
I've never been to a wedding, and there's good food and dancing.
Colin,
and
I cook great food for you.
I I know,
And you can
but
dance with me. Am I not enough for you?
of course you are, Ma.
I'm worried about you, Iman. You look tired out there. It's embarrassing. It's like your heart isn't in it anymore.
I feel fine.
I know how you feel.
I made it to level 16 on the beep test after you left. And I can make it to level 17 by next week.
It doesn't matter.
I'll work harder. You know I will.
I don't think we can do this anymore.
Is it because of Esther?
We do need to recruit younger players to the team. I will not be renewing your contract for this season.